Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you not ready to drop thousands and thousands for a digital marketing course? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. In this video, I will be sharing with you free platforms where you can start to learn digital marketing, and then some low-cost platforms, and even where you can get live interactive platforms, which include live interactive coaching and mentorship. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerangela.com. I'm originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree here in business and marketing in Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally find that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed, I was stressed and frustrated. I was so sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. I remember having this mom guilt because I was spending way more money online than I was earning, right? You name it, I've been there, done it, from affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading, drop shipping. I felt like with all these programs, right? Some of them trading in crypto, you just throw money at it, right? You didn't have to do anything, but I could never get my money back. It was easy for them to take my money, but getting it back, whole different story. And then affiliate marketing, network marketing, I always felt like there was something they weren't telling me. There was something I was missing, right? So I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn, because if there were people who were getting results and I wasn't, there was something that they knew that I didn't know. So I started to learn how to market online the right way. Last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media, so I no longer have to bother my friends and family. I don't have to slide into strangers' DMs. And what I'm loving about this program is, even though it's a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, I actually get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7-figure earners. So where do you go? Where did I go to start to learn these digital marketing skills? Let me go ahead and share my screen and show you exactly where you can go to get started, right? Let's make sure we're sharing the whole screen. Don't want to see my face, do you? Google, right? Grow Google is a great place where you can go and search, create videos with YouTube 2025. Oh, that's a thing that's coming up, right? That's a good one that you can learn. And digital workshop, accelerate your career in business with online digital skill course, and fundamentals of digital marketing. So all these courses here. Let me click fundamentals of digital marketing. So here you can learn here, welcome fundamentals, build your digital marketing strategy, get to know your digital customers, create engaging content, get the most of your business data, make social media work for you, and so on and so forth. So this just shows you how that course goes. And then we have this platform called HubSpot, which is a software company, $1 million software company. And there's different courses that you could take. So I just did a search here, digital marketing certification, get certified in digital marketing, free course. So there's the course has videos in them, quizzes, PDFs and all that, so you can learn from there. So that's HubSpot, right? You can search. And if you want to start paying for courses, Coursera is one of the platforms where you can enroll. Oh, there's free in Coursera. And you can start to learn here. Okay, so it's pretty much the same concept. Then Udemy is one where you can start with low cost, so digital marketing masterclass, AI social media marketing, digital marketing strategy, so different courses, search engine optimization, and so on and on and on and on. The possibilities are endless, right? So there's all these platforms where you can go to learn digital marketing. But what I want to share with you is I've personally been on HubSpot and Udemy. I've learned not digital marketing, just different stuff. Actually, HubSpot was digital marketing years ago. But I want to share with you how you can get you can learn digital marketing by following a proven step-by-step blueprint, which it costs as little as $100. You can get in. We have different packages, and the good news is it's a one-time payment, but you get live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7 figure earners, right? So these people have used the blueprint to earn 6 figures, and they show you every single week what they did, how they did it, and they allow you to unmute yourself, ask any questions. And what's different about this program compared to the other ones, apart from the live interactive coaching and mentorship, we have a thriving community of over 50,000 members who are there to lift you up, inspire you, motivate you, support you in any way that you can. They can. And you get the rights to resell the program and get paid all the commission, 100% paid instantly and directly to you. So what I want to do here is just to give you an idea of what this looks like. When you get started, you actually get 2 apps, not one, 2 apps that you can download onto your phone, and so you can learn and earn on the go. Oh, I should have logged in here. But anyway, this is where the blueprint is. We have different packages you can get in where you fit in. But what I really want to share with you is this bonus site. So this bonus site here, you can see we have over 51,000 paid members in our community. If you had any questions you could ask, there's over 250 someone answers almost immediately, right? A few people answer the times that I've asked. And then we actually have our calendar where I mentioned that we do active coaching and mentorship. So every single week, yesterday we had a powerful mentorship call from our 6-figure mentor. Tomorrow we have one on mindset, and we have onboarding calls to help you get started. We have technical calls. So this is where you get access to it. And then we have this classroom here where we have additional tools and resources to help you build your business. So one of the best tools and resources that I love is this 90-day growth sprints, where a multi-millionaire, she's earned 5 million in 2.5 years, where she sends us videos, right? So these videos appear here. Dear, in this video, she's talking about how we should go back and review our content, right? We can review our posts, our emails, our reels, and make sure that we are clear that our perfect customer can understand is our message, is the result that we have for them. Is the solution clear? Are they clear about what we have to offer? Am I speaking to their fears, their pain points, or their desires? Because this is what we learned in the blueprint, right? And then she's saying, only have one, in capital letters, one call to action. How powerful is this one video that I just shared with you, where it's about 2.5, and she's giving you action steps to go back and look at things, right? We have mindset training to get rid of that stinking thinking, because you'll never achieve anything in the physical world if you don't have that belief in yourself, if you don't see it in your inner world, right? So this is all about that. Here we can get access to free webinar resources, social media training, mentoring calls, content vault, 6 figures in 6 months training. So this is where our classroom, where you get access to tools and resources. And then finally, this here is where I want to wins that we have in our community, people sharing different wins. I'm going to focus on financial wins. So when I like this, like Eunice 9 hours ago, she said, I got my first $600 sale. She said she got her paycheck from work, right? And when she paid her bills, she only had $75 to manage until the next week. I can relate to that. I can relate to having less to manage till I get my next pay, right? And then she got the $600 sale that put her back up. Imagine how uplifted she felt when that $600 came in, right? Let me see, looking for financial wins. Sam, in February, he just bought a brand new house for his mom, land, absolutely amazing. He was a teacher, his job, now he's a digital marketer. Marika, another single mom's life's about to change, right? So she made $100 sale before 9 a.m. She's in South Africa, so that's $1,900. You may recognize this one here. That was 7 hours ago. That was me. I woke up to a $900 customer, and I shared my income proof there. So you can see here 18 comments, people supporting and encouraging me along, right? How Ramilda 2 hours ago just made a $900 ding and love helping people, showing them how this program could do for them. I do as well. Elizabeth, 2,700 less than 48 hours, $2,700. Absolutely amazing. That was 13 days ago. And another win. Nomvaliso bought a brand new house with from cash from this opportunity. She actually bought this prior SUV from the dealership as well last year. So South African millionaire in South African rands using our system, right? Absolutely mind-blowing, amazing. So proud of her, so happy for her, so emotional for her. 26,000 pages of wins, right? And you can see different types of wins. So if you're interested in learning digital marketing, those are the different platforms that you go to. However, if you want to have that, if you want to follow a proven step-by-step blueprint, you want to have access to a thriving community of like-minded people, you want to get live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6- and 7-figure earners, you want to take part in those 90-day runs where a multi-millionaire takes you by the hand, holds you accountable. I invite you this year. I'm on a mission to work really closely with 100 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So if you want to learn more about our blueprint, we want to invite you to click the link in the description to claim your free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. I'll deliver this blueprint to your email. Check your spam folder, check your promotional folder. Once you've gone through the blueprint, and if you have any questions, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.